Okay, if you've made it this far, you're probably trying to figure out where to start. There's 4,000 plus franchises in the United States. We've got 600 sitting on a shelf ready to show you, okay? So I understand it can be confusing. Where we're going to start is your why. What are you looking for in business ownership? Do you want to be an investor? Do you want to be a part-time business owner, keep one foot in your day job, and then start this as a side business? Or are you looking to get out of corporate America? You've been laid off 3 times, your boss is driving you crazy, you're hopping on a plane for months out of the year making money for somebody else. If this checks any of your boxes, that's your why. Why are we talking? Why are you willing to think about hanging out your own shingle and doing your own thing? So we're going to get to know you. We're going to understand your goals, where you're at now, but more importantly, where you want to go. And now that you're building this dream for yourself and not somebody else, what kind of hours are you willing to commit to do it? I know there's a lot to think about. Our step-by-step process will get you there. We've helped hundreds. I know we can help you.